मदर्स डे इज अराउंड द कॉर्नर और आपने अपने मम्मी के लिए कोई गिफ्ट नहीं सोचा? कोई बात नहीं, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट। हाय एवरीवन, आई एम अनुष्का। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सिंस मदर्स डे इज अराउंड द कॉर्नर, आपने कुछ नहीं सोचा, लेट मी हेल्प यू आउट। आई एम श्योर आपने भी सोचा होगा कि परफ्यूम या बैग गिफ्ट कर देते हैं, बट इज इट वर्थ इट? आई मीन, आपने माँ के लिए कितना कुछ कर दिया। आई थिंक इस टाइम आपको उनके लिए कुछ और करना चाहिए, समथिंग स्पेशल, समथिंग दैट यू टू कैन बॉन्ड ओवर। So here's a list of things that I'll tell you, and I really think you should try them this time. It's really spending time together basically, क्योंकि आप नहीं कर पाते ये चीज़ें डेली लाइफ में, you're so busy with things. But this time I think you should sit down and try this. First thing on the list is crocheting. I know आपको ये शायद करना आता हो या मे भी आपकी मम्मा को ये ऑलरेडी आता हो, but have you ever sat down with her and tried this? I think it's a really fun activity to talk to someone. You can sit down, relax, have a cup of tea and इसके ऊपर बात करना, because crocheting is, I mean, it's really ongoing right now, and I can give you some beginner's kit of crocheting from Amazon or other websites down in the link, and you can check them out. I think it'll be really fun to do this. Second thing on my list, it is a DIY scrapbook. I know maybe ये तुम बचपन में करती थी, but sit down, get some photos printed, उनको बार बार देखना, it is so fun. I mean, I have made so many scrapbooks already. मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि you can look back and flip through the books and look at all those photos, and it is so nice to relive those memories again and again, and making them with someone you actually love. It is a whole other level of experience, and I really think you should have it this time. Next, it is baking together or cooking together is actually very fun. I mean, आप ये सब करते होगे, बट एक दिन जाओ किचन में, अपनी मम्मा के साथ हेल्प कराओ, उनसे बातें करो, प्याज काटते काटते रिलेटिव्स की पिचिंग करो. इट्स जस्ट सो मच फन. यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस. अगर आपने आज तक ये नहीं करा है तो इट इज, can't even express it in words. Number 4 on the list, it is a spa day with your mom. अपनी मम्मा को आराम से पैम्पर करे एक दिन. जितने आपने फेस मास्क खरीदे हैं आप उन्हें दीजिए, उनकी लगाइए फेस मास्क, उनको फुट सोक करवाइए इन हॉट वाटर. आई मीन, इट इज़ अ फन एक्टिविटी. शी डिजर्व सम पैम्परिंग. उनको पैम्पर करो, उनको आराम से रिलैक्सिंग माहौल में ले जाओ, लाइट सम कैंडल्स, हैव a room fully set up for her and help her relax a little. She is also very stressed, okay? आपको पालना is not easy. Fifth on the list is a movie marathon. I know आपको अपनी favorite movie पता है, but क्या आपको अपनी मम्मी की favorite movie पता है? नहीं. You should sit down, ask her her favorite movie, अपनी favorite movie उनको दिखाओ, उनकी favorite movie देखो, chat about the characters, sing the songs of the movie. It is just fun. सब थोड़े popcorn बनाओ and just relax, eat them, talk. Too much fun. Next, it is one of the things I really want to try to do with my mom, which is taking her interview. I mean, not a very professional setup, but simply keep your phone, record both of you talking, ask her about things, ask her about her stories, things she wanted, childhood, best memories abhi tak ki, something she wants in future, just like normal fun interview stuff. It can really help you get closer to the person, क्योंकि आपको तब पता लगेगा कि आपको कितनी चीजें नहीं पता अभी तक भी, इतने सालों बाद भी अपनी मम्मी के बारे में. So sit down and interview her. One more activity that you can really try is making like those clay toys, छोटे से. I'm sure you've seen that reel, a group of friends taking a picture and trying to make like a cute octopus or a baby elephant. You can do that too. I mean, it sounds so fun. It is actually like so creative and artistic and also cute, fun thing. So cute things. You should really do these things, okay? सिर्फ सामान खरीदने से नहीं होगा. You have to make her feel special. एक दिन at least. Last but not the least, make reels with her. I know that sounds very cringy types, but it is so much fun to record reels. I mean, I love recording reels. Maybe it's like the lip sync और जो dialogue वाली reels होती हैं. That is so much fun. कि बस, or maybe help her get ready for a reel, or maybe we like dressing my mom like me for a day, something like that, because it is so much fun to actually like do these things and doing all cutesy things. I really like all these things, and maybe I really think you should try them. It is so much fun actually. If you have not done it yet, you're really missing out. So this Mother's Day, don't overthink it. Just be there for your mom. Do some fun things together. Make memories, okay? Buying stuff is good, but spending time actually being there for her, it's nicer. It's kinder. It's something she deserves, okay? Happy Mother's Day. Bye.